Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar. You're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for us all. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद एक दफ़ा फिर हम किचन में ये सेगमेंट कुकिंग मेड सिंपल जैसा देख सकते हैं ये सोक्ड हुई दाल है इसे हम ग्रीन दाल कहते हैं इंग्लैंड में आई थिंक सो इसे हरी मूंग कहा जाता है उर्दू में ओके अगर नहीं तो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि आप क्या समझते हैं इसका करेक्ट नेम क्या है आई थिंक सो इट्स हरी मूंग ओके सो वी गॉट हरी मूंग वी गॉट द यूजुअल स्पाइसेस sorry, in English, we on the packet it said green lentils, guys. Okay, we've got the usual spices, which is going to be salt. We do put salt in separately, garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. We have onions, we have tomatoes over here, we have green chilies, we have garlic cloves, we have ginger, and as always, we're going to garnish with coriander, but we are going to create what's known as tarkas, which basically involves heating the cloves and ginger and then putting that for flavor. नाज़रीन ये तड़के वाली दाल होगी तो बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं. Okay, let's have some oil in there. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil going in, and let's heat that for a minute or so. Okay, let's add the onions in there. So we're going to cook these as a paste, so we will be adding tomatoes very soon. So let's soften them a little bit. Okay, so they're browning nicely. Can we add the tomatoes, please? So I need to cook these really well so that they're paste. Okay, that's almost done. As you can see, we have added a little bit of water because it does dry up very, very quickly. नाज़रीन ये देखो जी हमारी पेस्ट रेडी होने वाली है तो अगर स्टिक हो तो पानी डालना ज़रूर. Okay, so the paste is nicely done there. We're going to add the masalas. Can we add some... Okay, so we're putting all the masalas except the Genu freak. Okay, so we'll cook that for another 5 minutes or so. Okay, our paste is nicely done there, viewers. नाज़रीन हमारी पेस्ट तैयार हो चुकी है. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे जी हमारी दाल. Okay, that is our dal going in now. Okay, viewers, the masalas have mixed in nicely. Can we put some water in there? Okay, so we're going to put 2 glasses of water so that it really softens. Okay, so whilst our dal is cooking in the pot, we are going to prepare the tadka. So first of all, we need about 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, let that heat up. Okay, we're going to put some zira in. Okay, love the sizzle of that. Okay, now I love this bit. Can we add the chilies? And okay, do be careful. So we have chilies, green chilies, garlic, and ginger going in there. How long would you say for this, Barkat?
1 minute.
1 or 2 minutes. So this is on full heat, viewers. That's why we said minute. It is going to take longer than a minute. I'd say at least 4 minutes. Okay, so the tadka is now ready, viewers, and we're just going to put that on top. And there we go. I love that sound. There we go. Okay, so we'll leave that on top to cook for 2 minutes and our dal is ready. Okay, our dal is ready. We're just going to garnish it with dhania. And fenugreek. That looks delicious. Okay, so there we have it, our very simple green lentils. I do hope you're going to try it, viewers. As always, I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video and all my videos. Look after yourselves, look after others. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आपको ये हमारी ग्रीन लेंटल, ग्रीन दाल और मूंग दाल पसंद आई होगी। अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, सबको चैनल के को रेकमेंड करना, शेयर करना। अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।